Welcome back. In this lesson, we will connect Power BI to a data source. This is the first step in creating meaningful visualization and interactive dashboard. As you know, Power BI's strength lies in the ability to connect to a wide variety of data source. If you're gonna go here and click on Get Data, you can find there is tons of different data source like Azure, Google Analytics, and much more. Here I will start by importing data from Excel. So all we're gonna do is go and click on Excel workbook and choose connect. And here inside my computer, I have some templates for the Excel. I will go and choose this one. And once it's loaded, it will open on the left all the worksheets inside the Excel. I have different worksheets like chart, data, creating table, conditional format. I will go and choose the sheet for conditional format that have some sample of data, all the house data, listing price, town, and some other data. Here we have some option down there. You can just load the data or you can transform the data or you can cancel. So I will go with a very simple step and just load the data as it is. After a few seconds, you can find here it's loading all my data into my Power BI, and here on the right we can find in the data section we have the name of the sheet, in our case conditional format, and the column names that was inside the Excel. That's perfect. In the same side we can go and import data from SQL database. So I will go and fetch my SQL Server Management Studio from my local computer, and in meantime I will go and hit on Get Data. But this time we will go and choose SQL. Once my SQL Server is loading, I will go and fetch the server name from here. I can take it as a copy and go back to my Power BI, and here I'm gonna put the server name. And we will go with the import. I will not do anything here, just I'm providing the server name or database server name. Then we're gonna hit on OK. After that, he gonna ask you use my current credential or if we are working with SQL Server credentials. Basically, I'm working with Windows authentication, so I will go with the first mode, use my credentials. And then we're gonna hit on connect. Here is like we are able to connect to the data source using an encrypted connection to access this data source using unencrypted. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one, it's okay. And after a few moments, he load for me all the database name. If we're gonna go back again to my SQL server and I'm gonna hit on connect, I can find here the list of database name, e-commerce, hospital, or whatever. So for example, I will go with the hospital. I will just like expand this one, and we can fetch the name of the doctor, just one name, or the name of whatever inside the hospital. And then I'm gonna hit on. And here you can find this first table is coming from the Excel, and second one is coming from different data source, which is SQL. So that's how you're gonna connect, Power BI to a different data source. In the next lesson, we will dive more in creating our first visualization.